Every single night this plant goes to sleep. No one touches it. It isn't dying. And every morning it's wake up again. But why? This is an Oxalis, also called the Purple Shamrock. If you never owned one before, the first time this happens, you'll probably think something is wrong with your plant. During the daytime, the leaves spread wide, open to capture sunlight. But when evening comes, every leaf slowly folds upward. It looks almost like tiny butterflies closing their wings. Scientists call this movement nyctinacity. That simply means night movement. Tiny cells at the base of each leaf change their water pressure. As the pressure changes, the leaves slowly fold together. No muscle, no brain, just an amazing natural process. But here's something even more strange. If you keep this plant in a bright room, it still knows when it's night time. It has own biological clock inside, just like human. Scientists call this circadian rhythm. The nature is incredibly smart. This movement may help protect the leaves, it may reduce the heat loss, and also defend against the nighttime insects. Every evening, I actually enjoy watching this happen. It reminds me that every plant have daily routines. They rest, and then they greet the morning again. What is the most unusual thing that you have ever seen a plant do? Tell me in this comment section, and if you'd like to see more amazing plant like this, I'll see you in the next GardenArcX videos.